Hello, it's your boy Miguel from the Boat Mechanic 757. You know, get down and get straight to the point. If ever you're having a problem starting your car, keep the diagnostics extremely simple. See that? That has to be tight. This one is tight. This has to be tight. If you're driving like this and you have a reserve time on your battery, which is 85 minutes, and you're driving around like that, the chances of your alternator fully charging this battery are very low. So you'll be running off your battery and then the whole entire car dies. Keep the diagnostic simple. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you are a motor mechanic or DIY, you can go to our mechanic store at themotormechanic757.com, themotormechanic757.com. Thank you.